Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here for sale a lovely family two-story, 8 bedrooms, 5 bathroom home located in St. Livingston Road, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The ground floor has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, laundry, veranda, double carport, family TV room, and storage room. The upper floor has master bedroom with walk-in closet, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, bar with balcony, TV room, and balcony with spectacular views. The land area of this home is 7,079 square feet, which is approximately 0.16 acres of land. Some other features of this house includes automatic gate, water tank, water heater, security grills, and security cameras. Ceramic and marble floors, fully fenced, jacuzzi, family oriented, and the home is in a gated community. The current price of this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $319,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.